Welcome to the Commercial Know-How Podcast, where mortgage brokers learn how to successfully launch, manage and grow a commercial finance business. I'm your host, Belinda Gibson. Join me as I draw on more than 25 years of property finance expertise to show you how to diversify beyond residential and build a growing business for all seasons. Don't forget to hit subscribe and visit commercialknowhow.com.au to download my free ebook to help you get started in commercial finance. Now, sit back and enjoy the episode. Welcome to Commercial Know-How. Today we are speaking with special guest and Head of Sales and Growth at CitoPlus, Mr. Maurice Corsi. Maurice, welcome to Commercial Know-How.
Thanks for having me today, Belinda, and really great to be here.
So for those of you who may not have come across CitoPlus, it is a software platform that is designed to empower commercial brokers to deliver exceptional service to their business clients, but also to write an exceptional submission for commercial and business finance applications. Today, we're going to have a chat about the platform and how it can help you. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, Maurice, could you tell me a little bit about yourself and your role at CitoPlus?
Sure. I've been working banking and finance for the last 18 years, with the last in the third-party channel, in roles as a business development manager at Suncorp Bank, partnership manager at Fast Aggregation, head of distribution at Simple Loans, and I'm currently the head of sales and growth at CitoPlus, where I manage the relationships of our aggregator and lender partners.
Fantastic. So could you tell me what CitoPlus is and what it does?
Absolutely. So as a leading platform for commercial broking, the CitoPlus platform elevates brokers and helps them work with the right information faster. All brokers writing commercial loans can have streamlined processes, unlocking more time to close deals and do the important things. Our platform eliminates the manual work for commercial brokers. They can experience fast, efficient, and seamless tailored commercial loan submissions based on all the right information. Our platform also eliminates the manual work for brokers by collating and verifying customer data, structuring a deal, analysing the application, and creating a credit memorandum and lodging a deal.
Terrific. So it sounds like it's an end-to-end process. So what types of transactions and business loans could brokers use CitoPlus for?
So Belinda, the CitoPlus platform supports 5 types of commercial loans: working capital loans, business loans, commercial property investment loans, commercial mortgages with a home loans where the business is the borrowing party, SMSF loans, both residential and commercial.
Fantastic. There's not a lot of brokers out there who are comfortable in writing the SMSF loans, so a little bit of help goes a really long way. So brokers, if you think about the client journey so far, for that first client, you have completed your pre-appointment questionnaire, completed some background research, held your meeting, prepared the agenda and your meeting questions, and you've learnt about the 5 C's of credit. Now you are about to enter the journey where you are ready to write your business submission, or what's known as the credit paper. Now you may choose to do all of this manually using Word or Excel, or you can choose a software platform to help you. So thinking about the types of transactions that this software can assist you with, it's likely one of those types of transactions Maurice just covered off on. So Maurice, I've been using the CitoPlus platform myself recently, and it's kind of split into 4 key segments around the broker portal, the customer portal, data collection tool, and loan submission. So if we can just break those platforms down into those 4 key segments and talk to them individually. Let's start with the broker portal. Can you tell me about the functionality in the platform?
Most definitely. So Belinda, the broker portal is where a broker and any other user within the broker group will create and manage the borrowers, leads, and deals, manage their pipeline and workflow of their commercial deals and applications, be able to save any external documentation associated with the commercial borrowers and deals. And they also have the ability to white label the portal with their own company logo.
Yeah, terrific. And then if you've got any second deals that come through for the same borrower, all their data is still there and available on the dashboard, so you're not repeating the work that you've already done in the past. And then with the customer portal, Maurice, where are the benefits with that one?
So the customer portal is where the broker will interact with the contacts associated with the borrowing group. This could be either the primary or additional contact, accountant or solicitor. By removing the need for a broker to email a list of documents required to begin the process of their customers' commercial applications, it also provides the strictest level of security and reassurance that any large files or attachment will not need to be reduced in size. In the customer portal, a broker can also receive digital consents, as well as linking the borrower's cloud accounting data and bank statements. Also worth noting that the customer portal will be branded with the broker's logo.
Yeah, fantastic. I particularly love the bit that you can actually get your client to upload those really large contracts or trust deeds or multiple trust deeds, and you don't have to worry about it actually breaking your email platform. So that's a win right there. And then with the data collection tool, can you speak to that functionality as well, Maurice?
Absolutely. So the brokers can obtain several key and important documents within the platform, such as the business registration, the industry details, complete the KYB and KYC obligations. In this section, they can receive the business ownership documents, which is a key document for any commercial transaction. They also have the ability to check the credit of the individual and the business, any PPSR checks, obtain any collateral values for residential equipment and vehicles, receive property titles for both residential and commercial securities, completing background checks, PEP sanctions and adverse media for both the business and individuals. And lastly, they can also perform an ATO SMSF check. Given that all this information is provided to the broker prior to submission, which makes the conversation with the borrower and lender partners a lot more affirmative, given that they have the right information at their fingertips.
Yeah, amazing. So obviously, listeners, CitoPlus is linking back to a number of software platforms in the background to help you manage your time and functionalities of what you need to do a lot easier. Just myself in using CitoPlus this week, I had ordered a desktop val only to find the exact value come through the platform via the security values link. So that was quite impressive, and it could have saved us a little bit of time in the office as well. And then lastly, Maurice, we've got the loan submission tool, which sounds really exciting. So what are the functionalities in that section?
Sure. So Belinda, there are several key components to the overall loan submission by the CitoPlus platform. But prior to the loan submission, a broker also has the ability to action the financial analysis. They can also consolidate any financials. They can perform the serviceability assessment by a lender. And they also have deal-specific modules for the commercial property loans, commercial home loans, or SMSF loans. Whilst during the submission stage, the platform also automates the creation of mandate letters, multiple credit memorandum templates, and also pre-fills several lender application forms.
Awesome. And listeners, it will calculate the loan repayments accurately for you, which is a big bonus. So Maurice, as a broker who is learning to write these types of transactions, how can CitoPlus not help a new broker write a submission, but also ensure that they submit a professional and accurate submission to a lender?
Sure. So Belinda, our platform helps brokers look good, and most importantly, helps them confidently grow their commercial lending activity. Working with the right information faster and unlocking more time to close deals, we provide a unique digital platform for all brokers writing commercial loans that streamlines their processes. Establishing key referral partners and a loyal customer base are critical for any broker. With the CitoPlus platform, brokers can be assured that their professionalism and quality of their work will help them build lasting and valuable relationships. We also offer a hands-on support to all brokers via our experienced sales team, as well as in-platform support via our live chat feature.
Terrific. I love that. I love that it gives brokers confidence, and I love that it saves them time. So how can a listener find out more about CitoPlus, Maurice?
Sure thing. So for any listener out there, to find out more, please download the flyer at the end of this episode, whilst also visiting our website at www.citoplus.com.au, and be sure to follow our LinkedIn page.
Terrific. And thank you for your time today, Maurice. I really do appreciate you sharing your knowledge and the benefits of CitoPlus with our listeners.
Well, it's been great, and I really appreciate you having me here today, Belinda. It's been an absolute pleasure. We look forward to supporting as many brokers who are interested in using the CitoPlus platform in assisting them in the commercial broking journey, as well as the experienced brokers who wanted to streamline their existing processes and put back more time into their busy schedule.
Thanks so much. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this episode has sparked your curiosity around how software can assist you in your submission writing, save you time, and help with the presentation of a quality and professional application. To find out more about CitoPlus, you'll be able to download a brochure from our website, and you can also visit CitoPlus at www.citoplus.com.au. And thanks again for listening to the Commercial Know-How podcast. And don't forget to visit commercialknowhow.com.au, where you can download my free ebook to help you get started in commercial finance, and also get in touch with me. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for listening to the Commercial Know-How podcast. Don't forget to visit commercialknowhow.com.au, where you can get in touch with me or download my free ebook to help you get started in the commercial lending space. If you enjoy the show, please hit subscribe so you don't miss an episode. See you soon.